Hello again. Today we have Apple Watch 5 series. We need to do only glass replacement. The LCD and the touch still working fine. So we decided to record it to show you how to do like only glass replacement for the Apple Watch. So now we are removing the connector for the touch sensitivity on the screen. So when we begin like to do the glass replacement, first of all you have to remove the cable. You have to lose the connector. So in order to put the wire or the silk between the glass and the LCD, as you can see here, we're inserting this wire between the glass and the LCD. Push it slowly. So now you can see the glass separated with the touch sensitivity, and see the LCD. It's working fine. There's no any damage on the main display. So now we need to remove the OCA glue from the main display. If you have any Apple Watch only glass broken, you can bring it here. We do this one even for iPhone and iPad, any model. If you need to save money or keep the original display, so we can do only glass replacement for Apple Watch, iPhone, iPads. Just call us at 416-587-7105 to book an appointment, and you are very welcome to come to Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. So after we remove the glue, now we need to clean it. See, it's very shiny and no dust, no any glue left. So now we can test it before we proceed. We'll test the LCD just to make sure, or to show you there is no any line or any damage problem in the main display. As soon as you get like Apple logo on the screen without any like line, that means the LCD is working fine. See, this is the Apple logo. There is nothing, no line, nothing. That means the LCD is good. So now we brought the glass. We need to keep it. We'll put now the LCD inside the glass, and we will connect the touch sensitivity cable. The most important things here to put the LCD inside the glass correctly, like with respecting the dimensions from all the corners, to make sure it's like fit in the center. So now we already put the LCD inside the machine, and now we are cleaning the frame to apply new glue when we put the LCD back. We need to make sure there is no any glue left in the frame. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel, and email us or call us to book an appointment for any repair. Our website is mapleplaptopservices.com. You can book an appointment from the form in the website, or you can call or email us at info@mapleplaptopservices.com. If the LCD is damaged, the main display, then we can put like another screen, a new screen for you. We have aftermarket, we have OLED, we have OEM screen. So whatever you like, we can install it for you. So now we brought already the machine, the LCD from the machine. So now we are connecting the middle one is the touch. Just now we test it. As you can see here, like the glass already installed, and the work appears perfectly. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So now we test it. Customer outside, we just need to get the pin number and see like the touch is working with no any issue at all. You are welcome anytime to give us a call at 416-587-7105. Thank you for watching. See you next video.